Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are cracking the code that powers, well, pretty much our entire digital world. We're talking about binary, and I'm going to show you a trick to translate it that is so simple you'll be doing it in just a couple of seconds. And no, you do not need to be a math whiz to do it. All right, so think about it like this. We've got two totally different languages. Over on the left, that's our world, the 10 digits we use every single day for, everything. But on the right, that's all a computer gets, just a 0 and a 1. It's kind of wild to think that everything from your phone to this very explainer is built on just those two little numbers. So that leads to the big question, right? How in the world do we bridge that communication gap? How does a computer understand a number like 19 or 45 when all it really knows is on and off or 0 and 1? You'd think it'd take some crazy complex math, but the secret is actually way, way simpler than that.
Okay, so it really all boils down to one simple idea. Just understanding what we mean by base for each of these number systems. I promise, once you get this one concept, everything else just clicks into place.
You know the numbers we all grew up with? That system's called decimal, or base 10. And why base 10? Well, it's super simple. It's because we use 10 different digits, 0 through 9. That's it. Nothing complicated there. Now, computers, they live in a much simpler world. They speak binary, or base 2. And that's because they only have two digits to work with, 0 and 1. You can literally think of it like a light switch. It's either off, which is a 0, or it's on, which is a 1.
All right, so let's get to the good stuff. The secret key. You can just forget everything you've ever heard about complicated division or, remainders. There is one single super powerful tool that just unlocks this whole thing instantly.
So what is this magic trick? Well, here's the best part. It's not some complicated formula you gotta memorize. It's just a really simple series of numbers that you can come up with anytime, anywhere, right on the fly.
And here it is. We're calling it the Magic Series. And the rule is so easy. You just start with 1, and you keep doubling it. So 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, then 8, 16, 32. You just keep going as far as you need to. Seriously, this little series is the only tool you're going to need from this point on.
Okay, so let's put our new key to the test. We're going to see just how easy it is to decode a computer's binary number back into a regular number that we actually understand.
The rule here is ridiculously simple. Check this out. First, you just write down the binary number. Then, you write our magic series right underneath it from right to left. And here's the most important part. You only add up the numbers from our series that have a 1 right above them. If there's a 0 above it, you just ignore it completely. That's the whole trick.
Okay, let's do one together. Let's say we've got the binary number 10011. So step 1, we just write our magic series right below it, making sure to start from the right. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And now for the magic. We just look for the 1s in the binary number. Okay, there's a 1 over the 16, another 1 over the 2, and the last one is over the 1. So what do? We just add them up. 16 plus 2 plus 1 equals 19. And boom, just like that, the binary number 10011 is just 19. Okay, what about a bigger one? Let's try 101101. Does the rule change? Absolutely not. We just keep our magic series going to cover all the digits. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and now 32. And we do the exact same thing. We only look at the numbers under a 1. So we've got a 32, an 8, a 4, and a 1. Add all those together, and you get 45. See? It doesn't matter how long the binary number is. The method just works. It's that simple. All right, that's pretty cool, right? But what about going the other way? What if we have a number, say 43, and we need to turn it into binary for a computer? Well, you probably guessed it. We're going to use our exact same magic series. The way to think about this is like you're solving a puzzle. Your target is your number, and the pieces of your puzzle are the numbers from our magic series. You just have to figure out which pieces to use. You always start by finding the biggest piece that'll fit, subtract it, and then just do the same thing with what's left over. Okay, let's convert the number 43. We look at our series. What's the biggest number that's less than or equal to 43? That's 32, so we'll use that one. We put a 1 under the 32. Now what's left? 43 minus 32 is 11. Okay, so now our new target is 11. What's the biggest piece that fits into 11? That would be 8. So a 1 goes under the 8. Now we have 3 left over. Does 4 fit into 3? Nope, too big, so that gets a 0. How about 2? Yep, 2 fits, so a 1 goes there. And we're left with just 1, which of course fits, so it gets the last one.
And look at that, we just built the number 43 by using a 32, an 8, a 2, and a 1. The binary code is just the recipe we used, 101011. It's so cool how the same exact key unlocks this puzzle from both directions. And that's really all there is to it. That's the secret. You now have the one simple key you need to speak both human and computer. The power is officially in your hands now.
And this is what I really want you to take away from all this. Forget thinking this is some kind of complex math. It's not. It's just a simple puzzle. All you're doing is adding and subtracting with this one special set of numbers. It's not about being a math genius at all. It's just about knowing the trick.
So, I'm going to leave you with a little challenge. Now that you know the secret, you have the magic series, you know the rules, can you convert the number 65 into binary? Go ahead, give it a shot. I bet you'll be surprised at just how fast you can do it.